All right, obviously back on the bench. Some of the garbage in the bottom here is so bad the screwdriver wasn't hitting it, so had to scrape it with utility knife, cutting knife, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's one of those razor knives with the blades you can break off. Okay, close enough on that. Now, a little more on the top here. So, I'm going to turn it here, and then I'm going to zoom in, and we'll see if we can, partly because this camera just doesn't like to focus very well. So, all right, we're zoomed in. Hopefully it will focus. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the bushing, and it was curled over the top. I'm not quite sure what the hell is going on with it, but yeah, see, it sure looks like it's part of the bushing, but the same part that's sticking out here is sticking out the bottom too. So you got me. I got some sticking out here too, and there's some sticking out here. So maybe, I don't know, it doesn't look that thin. The other one down here looks like it might be thin, but you know, maybe I got hammered enough to pooch it out. I don't know. Oh, there's another question. Okay, well, grease fitting lines up. It does, you know, of all the other bushings I've changed, the grease valleys have always looked the same. So I would not be surprised at all if that is not the correct bushing. That's possible. You know, repair shop couldn't find the right one, or the homeowner, you know, the vehicle owner couldn't find the right one, something like that. Not exactly sure. So how exactly to get that down? Because the problem is I got lips sticking up on all four edges where I might possibly be able to put that tube in and tap it with a hammer or push. And I don't want to fold them over on the outside. That'll just kind of, you know, defeat the purpose kind of thing, or be counterproductive. So, well, let's see here. What if we well, let me unzoom this, since I'm sure that a good bit of that's not going to show up if I leave it like that. Okay, I'm just trying to take a normal cold chisel here and get that bushing down into the middle there so it doesn't overlap. I don't know that I don't know if maybe we can get a chisel with a sharp enough edge on it. Maybe. Yeah, so I don't know if we can catch the edge of that and get it going. The other possibility might be to take a small Dremel and cut this extra lip off, and then I can get the tube on it. Wow. I'm just trying to get it away from the wall a little bit there. Alright, so instead of cutting it, let's see if we can... Yeah, it looks like I found the seam there, so I'm going to try to hold it up against the edge there and get some of this to pound down out of there. Yeah, so I don't want to chew up the edge too much. Let's see if I can catch this one maybe. Let's see if I got a smaller chisel. Aha! Yes, much better. Much better. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me see if. All right, you probably can't see that. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm using the chisel to pull that away from the edge there. And push come to shove, if I have to, I will just keep rolling it over like that. Where's the crank? There's the crank. Let's get a slightly better vantage point here. Okay. Alright, bear with all the adjustments there and stuff, so I'm just slowly walking around the circumference here. This is small enough. I don't want to try to put the big one in here because you can see maybe that but it's not really going to line up well with the edge there, and I can't put it in like this. But with this one, I can get it in there and actually catch that edge just a little bit. And I'm only walking it around, you know, 1/16 and 1/8 of an inch at a time, just enough to pull it out of there just a little bit. Okay, let's try the other drift for more persuasion. And I don't care if it comes out in pieces, chunks, doesn't matter one bit to me, as long as it friggin' comes out of there. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, another chunk. Let's see if I can peel this down some. Oh, there we go. The only thing I want to kind of try to make sure I do is not damage the outside so badly that I can't just that I can't get the other bushing in. And this is part of the reason why shops charge, you know, $250 to $400 to do this job, because instead of being able to just push them in and out like I did the other one, 5 minutes. You know, this is going to be 10-15 minute job easy, and you know, shops just can't really make any money on unpredictable stuff like this. So let's catch a little more of this, see if we can peel it down. Yeah. The machine shop said I could come over first thing in the morning. I said, well, let's make it more around lunch, just to make sure something like this doesn't happen. If I'd have told them